Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making red velvet hot chocolate. The ingredients that we're going to need today are whole milk, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, red food coloring, cocoa powder, marshmallow cream. I'm using milk chocolate chips, or you can use the semi-sweet chocolate chips, and also cream cheese. Okay guys, so I have all my ingredients measured out. For my marshmallow whipped cream, we're going to need 1 cup of heavy cream, 3 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 1/2 cup of the marshmallow cream, and also 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now for the red velvet hot chocolate, you need 2 cups of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of your chocolate chips, and also 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of red food coloring. Okay, you want to grab a bowl, and for our marshmallow whipped cream, we're going to go ahead and add in our cup of heavy cream and also our softened cream cheese. Now you want to grab a hand mixer, and we're just going to go ahead and mix it until it forms stiff peaks. Okay guys, once you're done, you want to add in your vanilla extract, and I'm also going to be adding my marshmallow cream. Okay, now all you want to do is go in with a spatula, and you just want to fold everything in until it's nicely combined. Okay guys, now all you want to do is set it to the side. Okay guys, now to my pot, I'm going to add my 2 cups of milk, and you want to just bring it to a simmer. Okay, now you can add in your cocoa powder. You want to mix until well combined. Okay, now you can add in your chocolate chips. And just mix until they're all melted. Okay guys, now you can give it a taste and see if it's sweet enough for you. If it is, you can go ahead and add your vanilla extract and also your red food coloring. And we're just going to mix until well combined. Look at the pretty brick red color. Now you can turn off your heat. Okay guys, now I'm going to pour our hot chocolate into our cup. Okay guys, now all you want to do is put a couple large dollops of your marshmallow whipped cream on top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our red velvet hot chocolate with a homemade marshmallow whipped cream topping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.